Today we're going to make some mincemeat for 3 other recipes. This is what we're going to make with these mincemeats. Let's get started with the ingredients. Chili, green onions, carrot, chives and bandana, garlic, sweet pepper, tomato, pimento, and I had some dry mushroom soaking for an hour. So now I am also going to add some broth, and I have a tin of baked beans, and I have my lettuce and some vinegar chilling waiting. So I'm going to add the garlic, butter and chili in a hot pot, let that marinate. Then I'm going to add the carrots and sweet pepper, and now we're going to add the green onions and stir that baby around. Then once that is cooked and sweat for a little bit, we're going to add our meat, and then I'm going to add a small time to make that cook. Then I'm going to add the beans, and I am going to add the broth at this point. I don't know why this come out this color. I do apologize. Here I'm adding the mushrooms 5 minutes before I turn off the fire. And then when it's just before I take up the fire, I'm going to add some butter, garlic, and a little bit of lime juice. Stir that in, turn off the fire, and cover it and let that cook some and let it, once it is dried down to this is where I am going to turn off and set it aside to use in all of these recipes that you're seeing on your screen right now. I have started, my first recipe was the guacamole, so they all come in stages, and I may eventually put all of them together. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Bye.